So this is the plenum that has been pulled off of the car. As you can see, it's really well used. With a bunch of carbon inside. And that's what the 6 intake tubes look like. Now this plenum, back in the late 90s, was aluminum. They don't do that anymore. But it's fairly, they make them out of plastic now. It's fairly simple to put this back on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. That's all that holds your intake on. But one of the big problems with these intakes is this particular Vulcan motor is that the intake is in the way, and as is this big harness that sits right over top, that sits like right over top of that cam sensor right there. So everything has to come off, which is not really a big deal because it's not difficult to get it off. Time consuming. Difficult for me because I'm disabled, but you can get it done. This is totally a do-yourself project. I mean, you don't see basic tools to get it off. But that is the culprit that is responsible for most of the failures on these here 3-liter Vulcans from the 90s. It says 3-liter right on the valve cover. It's the Vulcan. So we'll try and put that together and take some more pictures.